Hey guys, it's Angelisa here from Brat Babes, and today I'm going to be installing my new cheetah bar that I got. It's the new Munster collab with Cheetah Factory Racing bar, and it's 29 inches and it gives me a 1-inch rise. Right now I have the Boondocker 2.0, which is a 31-inch wide bar, and it's also 2 inches rise. So I'm going to be switching it off to the Munster. This is the new one. I got it in all black, and I'm going to open it up here for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Again. There we go. So here it is. It's focusing on that. So Cheetah Factory Racing Bar collab with Munster, 29 inches wide, and it gives me that 1-inch rise. So I'm 5 feet, 5 foot 0 inches, and I need a little rise, so this is gonna help me with my riding, and also it's gonna keep my shoulders and my arms narrower, so it'll be easier for me to tip the sled and get it in the direction I want it to go. So yeah, this is it. This is the Cheetah Bar collab with Munster in black. So I'll be taking off basically everything off this bar. I'm gonna take off the grips, heaters, brake, my E-start button, mountain bar, kill switch, finger throttle, and my other grips and heaters. Alright, so I took off my grips, and the way I did that is I took my air compressor, I put it into the hole, and I just give it a couple of breaths and just pulled it off, and yeah, that's how I took them off. And I'm going to be taking off the electrical tape and then heating up my heaters so that I take them off very carefully. Okay, so we are taking off the electrical tape. There's my husband there helping me out. So just wanted to point out, when you are putting on your electrical tape, make sure to tape up the ends. I don't know if you guys can see that. That way it's easier to put your grips back on, and no water gets in there, so your bars won't freeze, and it just makes things a lot easier. Alright, so Kenny's helping me take off my heater pads, just because we have the kids in daycare right now and we are on a time crunch. So Kenny's taking off the heat pads, and he's just heating them up, and you want to make sure that you don't damage any of the metal in there, because if you do, then your heater is not going to work, and that sucks. Because we all like to be warm in the backcountry. He's sexy. Alright, I'm taking off these bolts to my mountain bar and my risers. And we finished it! We installed everything on my new Munster Cheetah Factory Racing bars. While we were doing that, we also put my adjustable brake lever from Skin's Protective Gear. Got my E-start on, my mountain bar, my Munster kill switch and my finger throttle with new grips. So stoked. Taking it out tomorrow. Bye.